Hello all, welcome to the day 19 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Pookolam is a flower bed or flower pattern designed during Onam in Kerala. It is similar to Rangoli in North India and Kolam in Tamil Nadu. During the festival of Onam, your school is planning to conduct a Pookolam competition. Your friend, who is a partner in competition, suggests two designs given below. Observe the designs carefully. The first design is a circle, and inside the circle, there is an equilateral triangle ABC. The vertices ABC lie on the circumference of the circle. The radius of the circle is 32 centimeter. The second design is a square. Inside the square, there are 9 congruent circles. Each circle is of radius 7 centimeter. The dimensions of the square is not given directly to us. We have to take the help of the circles to decide the side of the square. Now along the side AD, we can see 3 circles. The radius of one circle is 7 centimeter. Then the diameter of one circle becomes 2 times radius, which is 14. Because there are 3 circles, the side AD is equal to 3 times 14, which is 42 centimeter. That is, the side of the square is 42 centimeter. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. The questions have been segregated based on two designs. So for design 1, the first question, the side of equilateral triangle is. Let's draw a rough sketch of the triangle ABC. OA, OB and OC are on the radii of the circle, which is 32. BC is a chord. Let's draw OM perpendicular to BC. This implies that BM equal to CM. Reason is a perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. In other words, BC is equal to 2 times BM or 2 times CM. Here we have to calculate the side of the triangle. Let's check the triangle OBM. ABC is an equilateral triangle. So the angle at B is 60 degree. OB bisects the angle 60 degree such that this angle OBM is 30 degree. Using the cos ratio, cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So BM is OB times cos 30. OB is 32 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which gives us 16 root 3. BC is equal to 2 times BM. So twice 16 root 3, which gives 32 root 3 centimeter. That is, side of the triangle ABC is 32 root 3 centimeter. The answer is option B. Second question, the altitude of the equilateral triangle is. We have to get the height, which is AM. Let me draw the part of the triangle which I am going to use for calculation. That is ABM. The angle at B is 60 degree. AB is a side of the triangle which we have calculated already. That is 32 root 3. Now we have to get AM, that is the height of this triangle. Since we have to involve opposite and the hypotenuse, we'll use the ratio sine. Sine 60 equal to AM by AB. AM is equal to AB times sine 60. AB is 32 root 3 into root 3 by 2, which gives us 48 centimeter. So the height of the triangle is 48 centimeter, and the option is C. Question 3, 4 and 5 are based on design 2. The third question, the area of square is. We have calculated the side of the square already, which is 42 centimeter. So area of square is equal to 42 into 42, which is 1764 centimeter square. So the option is B. Fourth question, the area of each circular design. Area of the circular design is pi r square, taking 22 by 7 for pi, and r is 7, gives us 154 centimeter square. The option is D. Fifth question, the area of the remaining portion of the square ABCD, which means from the square's area we have to eliminate the 9 circles area. Then we will get the remaining portion in that figure. Remaining area is equal to area of square minus 9 times area of one circle. Area of square is 1764 minus 9 times 154, which is 1764 minus 1386, which gives 378 centimeter square. So the option is A. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.